Working with vintage Casio synthesizers and have an FZF dump file? This is a full memory dump from the legendary Casio FZ-1 sampling synthesizer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these classic synth files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the FZF archive, even if it can't fully extract it. FZF files are full memory dump files from the Casio FZ-1 sampling synthesizer released in 1987. They contain complete synthesizer state, including sample data voice patches, performance settings, and configuration parameters used to backup or transfer the entire synthesizer's content for preservation or sample sharing among synthesizer enthusiasts. FZF dump files use Casio's proprietary format, storing complete FZ-1 memory contents, including PCM sample data with up to 16-bit resolution voice patch parameters, performance configurations, and sample mapping information. The format follows Casio's MIDI sample dump standard implementation, specific to the FZ-1 synthesizer architecture. Guaranteed access to FZF files is typically achieved using a Wave Studio from FMJ software. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows handles simple playback, but multitrack or effect-based editing requires advanced audio tools. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your FZF file and click Open With. If a Wave Studio is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If your FZF file isn't cooperating, don't worry. This format is tricky. Since the FZF file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, loading on original hardware. Transfer FZF files to a working Casio FZ-1 synthesizer using MIDI sample dump protocol. Connect a MIDI interface to your computer and use software like Wave Studio or specialized FZ-1 utilities to send the dump to the synthesizer. The FZ-1 receives and restores the complete synthesizer state from the dump. Next, converting samples. Use a Wave Studio or similar sample format converters to extract sample data from FZF dumps and convert to modern formats like WAV. This enables using FZD1 samples in current DWs and software samplers, preserving the distinctive FZ1 sound character within modern music production environments without requiring vintage hardware. Finally, preserving vintage sounds. Submit FZF files to vintage synthesizer preservation projects like the Internet Archive or specialized synthesizer preservation websites. These archives maintain historical synthesizer content for future generations of electronic musicians. Your FZF files become part of the documented heritage of pioneering sampling synthesis from the 1980s. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.